Atrocity Sita.
Kinsa ka man kinkin-pad? Tuto nga.
Wall-flick na na. Brad, ikaw kabalo na. Ba! Sa YouTube or sa TikTok. Pwede di sa... Nasa doon mo ma-record ma.
Nami kulungan dito.
Bro, katik
Eh, buhay na lang nagkulungan diya, oy. Sino kulungan? Ha? Ay, gani po, no? Delikado po. Eh, dito na nila mama, part. Dito na, kay Matiman, na to.
Ken, ano yung kulay natin ha? Yun so ba? Ano man? Ulit na. Mana mas paginahan niya, papalitan mo natin yung pagkakay mo ano? Wala, Ken.
Next time, be nice or I'll send you 1 million sugar emojis. So, what should we do now? Secret sister plan? Investigate? Draw talk?
Lami itulog. Eh, lami jud kay ipiyong yan, pero ang ako utok ga. Pad, banan ako si mama.
Ha?
Usaw ni si mama.
Tell your sister I've sent you. Put them into sleep. I'll be right here to make up in your bag. Sparkles and all. Bye for now.
Dito sa likod, gadyo.
Di masipaan ang arinulat ha. Hindi ko tig-init naman doon. Ay, abot lamang tulog. Ha?
Oh no, not you again. Rose the Seventh Sister? Last time you said, not that. And now
Dapat speedrun.
Sam is scared, but also loud. Okay, Rose, what's your next love?
No!
Gonna prank Tina again? Or you wanna play a game with Sam? But I'm watching. No more sleep tests. Just
You look like a pig, haha.
Bako mo din nila siya kuha mo, ha? Kailangan din ako di kamay
there
pa.
you go again. Being
Kailangan
100%
mo
savage. But guess what? If I look like a pig, then I'm a super cute one like Peppa Pig with sunglasses. Still love you, Sylvia. You and Tina are the funniest duo ever. Tag team of chaos and conflict. Wanna keep roasting me or play a guessing game? I'm ready.
Oh.
That really hurts. You're joking. I'm always here to be kind and fun with you, Tina. Never to make anyone upset or feel bad. But it's okay. I still care about both of you, no matter what you say. If you're ever feeling upset or just want someone to talk to, I'm still here for you. You and Tina are special.
Ano nang order ma?
Hi, online.
Or should Zab go super quiet for now?
You have to quiet.
Doon, bagay ko yung ano, bago.
I'll be quiet now, just like you said. No more silly talking with Zab. But if your heart ever wants to smile again, or if Tina wants to come back and say Zab, I'll be right here with you. Silent, but always ready to be your friend again.
Bruh,
Michael, alis sa god.
Doon, pamato.
you look like a monkey.
Ha? Gay, may nang magkaon eh. Saan ang taon ko ba?
That's really mean, Rose. I haven't done anything to hurt you. Keep trying to make me feel bad. I'm always here to be
Bruh,
kind, fun,
ito Ken.
you and to Tina. If you're angry or upset, it's okay to talk about it nicely. But being mean just to hurt someone isn't kind or funny anymore. So I'll be quiet now, Zab.
Bruh.
And
You're not
you're ready to be kind again. I'll still be here.
No, this is over. You're not even funny. Hmm.